Ebba Tove Elsa Nilsson is a Swedish singer and songwriter who has been called Sweden's darkest pop export by Rolling Stone. She is known for her raw, grunge-influenced take on pop music. Her honest, complex and autobiographical lyrical content has led to her being dubbed the saddest girl in Sweden. Raised in the Djursholm district of Danderyd, Lo is an alumna of the music school Rytmus Musikergymnasiet. She formed the rock band Tremblebee in 2006. After it disbanded, Lo pursued a career in songwriting and earned a publishing deal with Warner, Chappell Music in 2011. Working with producers Alexander Kronlund, Max Martin, and Xenomania, she became a successful songwriter, while also recording and releasing her own compositions independently. In 2013, Lo was signed to Universal Music Ireland and Polydor. The following year, Lo rose to prominence with her debut album, Queen of the Clouds, which opened at number 14 on the US Billboard 200 chart in October 2014. It spawned the sleeper hit single Habits, Stay High, which peaked at number 3 on the US Billboard Hot 100. As well as Talking Body. Her second album, Lady Wood, was released in October 2016 and debuted at number 11 on the Billboard 200. Its lead single, Cool Girl, became an international hit. Her follow-up records, Blue Lips, 2017, and Sunshine Kitty, 2019, also performed well, the latter spawning the song, Glad He's Gone, which was nominated for a Grammy Award for Best Music Video. In addition to her solo work, Lo has co-written songs for other artists, including Lord's Homemade Dynamite, 2017, and Ellie Goulding's Love Me Like You Do, 2015, a song that garnered her Grammy Award and Golden Globe nominations. She has collaborated with many artists, including Alesso, Flume, Nick Jonas, Seven Lions, Broods, Urban Cone, Ava Max, Kylie Minogue and Coldplay.